My name is Joseph Whitman, and today I will be talking about how railguns work and how they connect to what we have learned in Electrical Engineering Science 2. A railgun works by utilizing the fact that a current through a conductor will create a magnetic field. This is the electromagnetic relationship. The next part of the railgun uses Lorenz's force, which states that a charge moving in an electric field and magnetic field experiences a force in a direction determined by the cross product of the current and magnetic field. In the case of this diagram, because the current in the projectile is moving towards the top right, and the magnetic field is out of the diagram, the force of the projectile that the projectile experiences is towards the bottom right of the diagram, following the right-hand rule. Railguns utilize capacitors as an energy source, after they have been charged by a primary power source. This is because capacitors are able to quickly discharge high currents, and it is this current that is used to launch the projectile. Due to the electromagnetic relationship and Lorenz's force, the higher the current, the greater the force on the projectile, resulting in a faster projectile after it has left the railgun. Some additional notes about railguns are that due to the Lorenz's force, the projectile must be moving within the railgun before being in the magnetic field in order to experience the force that pushes it towards the target. Because of the high currents used, it is dangerous for a person to interact with a charged railgun. This is because while it only takes 10 amps of current to kill a person, a railgun can potentially discharge millions of amps depending on how the railgun is designed. And while railguns can be big and designed to destroy targets, like those designed by the US military, they can also be smaller and less dangerous, to the point that they are more like an airgun, much like the one designed by Hacksmith Industries. These are the links to the websites that I have used to find my information, and that is the end of this presentation.